Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'll show you how to mount your SJCAM SJ6 Legend on your helmet. Here I'll do the chin mounting with the accessories given in its box. So you don't need to buy any other accessories to mount this camera. All that you need is
this and this.
This is my helmet, and here is my SJCAM SJ6 Legend, whose unboxing and review I have already done in my previous video. You can get the link from description below and also from I button on top. First you have to mount this curve one over here. Ensure that your mount is in straight position. You can also draw a line on the middle. Now I'm going to mount this. You can also apply M-seal if your helmet is more curved and if the mount will not completely placed. Otherwise, M-seal is not required. Then you have to take these two things and fix it like this. Don't make it tight initially so that you can adjust it later by this controller. And now you have to mount this side to the camera and this side to the helmet. For this you need two screws. One you can get it from the camera and another from here. Let me first remove this mount from the camera so that I can place this mount over here. You have to fix this one that you remove from the camera to here, and then only you can place this mount. Complete. And now you can adjust this as per your need and make it tight. So now our mount is ready. Make sure that the screws are tight enough for better safety of your camera. So finally the mounting get finished and now we'll go for a ride.